Alright folks, it's time for Free Tip Friday. On a Friday, published some random day of the week. We have a lovely 2018 Ford Fusion here. Somebody so generously installed aluminum valve caps on the TPMS sensors. Now the problem with that, in the wonderful state of New York, the aluminum and whatever the valve stem is made out of, I believe brass, has a little bit of what they call galvanic corrosion, I think, if we were to look it up in Webster's. And them suckers seize on there to the point you cannot take them off. Now you can look at this one and see it is chowdered up from the customer trying to take them off with pliers. And I don't care what you do, you can grip onto the valve stem with vice grips, get on these with pliers, you will not get them off. However, he brought me 4 brand new TPMS sensors he wanted installed, but I thought we could kick it in and see what we can do to get them off, because the fact of the matter is we still need to get the air out of the tire. So I'll show you a little trick that I do. It involves a cutoff wheel. Engage your safety squints, and then all I do is whittle away at the aluminum until I just start to see threads, and then she'll come right off. Just about like that. Just a little bit of flat spot. No, the aluminum shavings will not hurt the wheel. And then I like to come in with a pair of needle nose vice grips. Don't completely squeeze it, very gingerly. Grab your favorite set of Van pliers, grab onto that fella, see if she's loose yet. Squeeze it just a little bit more. Nope, not yet. I want to squeeze it just a little bit more. I don't have much of a grip on it. There we go. Let's see if that's enough to get this one loose. And it is. All we do is stress relieve it a little bit. Plus, the grinder makes it pretty toasty. And the beauty of it is we don't have to put in the TPMS sensors, but you can see about how far you have to grind it, just to where you touch the threads. Then I've got a little thread chaser that I like to use just to make sure everything is hunky-dory, because sometimes they'll leave a little bit of aluminum corrosion behind. So we just kind of spin that over it. Gets rid of any of the schmutz in the threads. Give her a little blow. Grab your plastic cap. Spin her on and have a nice day. If you own TPMS sensors, which most 2007 up vehicles, at least in the great United States of America, have TPMS sensors, do not put on aftermarket aluminum caps if you live anywhere near the salt belt. All right. That's it, folks.